Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to view and copy Wi-Fi password on iPhone. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. In order to use this feature, you'll have to update your iOS to iOS 16 or above. To check if your iOS is up to date or not, go to your settings app, then scroll a bit down. Then you'll see this option General, tap on it. After that, tap on Software Update. And if you see any download or install button on this page, tap on it, and once your iOS is up to date, you're good to go to the next step. The next step is to go to your settings homepage. Once you're on your settings homepage, tap on Wi-Fi. Then you will see this edit button at top right corner, tap on it. It will either ask you to enter your phone passcode, or if you have turned on Face ID, it will verify you through your Face ID. Once you're on this page, you can tap on the eye icon just beside the Wi-Fi's name. Select the Wi-Fi that you want to see the password of, then tap on this eye icon. Once you get to this page, tap on this password area. Once you tap on it, it will reveal the password. Now, to copy it, you can tap on the copy button. Once you do that, you will copy the password. Now, you can share this with your friends or families. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.